could the United Nations decision to reduce its workforce in Gaza after definitely the Israeli repeatedly attacks it attacked its facilities immensely. How will that affect the already deteriorating humanitarian situation in Gaza?
Yes, I think the Israeli continuation of the aggression is, influencing and has a big impact on the life of the people inside Gaza. Even the United Nations and also Security Council, all of them, they should interfere in this in order to stop the Israeli aggression. Otherwise, I think the problem will be increasing for the life of the people, and also the massacres there, the destroying the hospitals, the schools, and also the life of the people will be more miserable. And also they will start, the starvation will start again in Gaza. As you know, in the 42 days when they have the ceasefire, about 25,000 trucks have been, that's enter Gaza, and it's have assistance aid. But now, in the beginning of this month, the Israeli blocked all the borders in Gaza, and they not allowing, that's to enter any assistance aids to the people of Gaza. But even that, they bumping and they attacking and they killing the people there. And also, beside the airstrike, the Israeli army also they entered Gaza, and also they occupied Netzarim. That's again. And now they are bombing Khan Yunis and Rafah, and also in the north of Gaza. Even they killing beside the people also the journalists. Two journalists have been killed yesterday. So I think the United Nations should interfere and should put pressures on the United States of America in order to return back to the first stage of the agreement, which Israeli didn't, that's even commitment to this, and they violated and going back to the war in Gaza. And I think the Israeli forces now, and even the political that's level in Israeli, want to reoccupy Gaza again, which is the first time that happened. Even it didn't happen on the first phase of the war. So we are witnessing now a big miserable situation, and even we have about 1,000 people have been killed in about 10 or 13 days from the beginning of the Israeli, that's attacking again.